Welcome back to IQ Tech Talks. Today, we will talk about Gallagher Care Plan. In today's world, your security system is more than just locks and cameras. It is the digital nervous system of your business. But here is the hard truth. A security system that isn't maintained isn't just old. It's a liability. Today, we're looking at why the Gallagher Care Plan is the most critical investment you can make to protect your people, your assets, and your peace of mind. Security threats never stop evolving. Cybercriminals are constantly finding new ways to exploit older software. This is why software updates and security patches are non-negotiable. With a Gallagher Care Plan, you aren't just getting new features. You are receiving the latest security patches designed to close vulnerabilities the moment they are discovered. Without it, you are essentially leaving a digital window unlocked. Staying current means staying ahead of those who wish to bypass your perimeter. Many believe that if their Gallagher server is offline or disconnected from the internet, they are safe from hackers. This is a dangerous myth. Physical security is now cyber-physical. Attackers don't always need a cloud connection to breach your site. They can target the local hardware directly. Without the latest firmware, your controllers and readers may be vulnerable to man-in-the-middle attacks on the wiring, credential cloning, or local exploits that can force a door to open or crash the controller entirely. The Care Plan ensures your hardware firmware is hardened against these local physical hacking techniques. Even if your server is isolated, your hardware needs the latest immune system to fight off direct physical tampering. It's not just about security, it's about uptime. Your hardware, the controllers and readers that guard your doors, depends on firmware to function. Think of firmware as the brain of your hardware. Regular firmware updates ensure your physical equipment remains reliable and compatible with modern IT environments. The Care Plan ensures your hardware runs at peak performance, reducing the risk of equipment failure when you need it most. Reliability isn't an accident, it's the result of consistent maintenance. When a critical issue arises, you can't afford to wait. The Care Plan grants you direct access to premium vendor support. This ensures that Gallagher experts are standing by to help your integrators resolve issues fast. Furthermore, as your business grows, your system needs to integrate with third-party tools, like HR databases or building management systems. A Care Plan ensures your Gallagher ecosystem remains compatible with the ever-changing world of technology. You aren't just maintaining a system, you're future-proofing your entire facility. The Gallagher Care Plan is more than a service agreement. It is your commitment to excellence. It guarantees that your security environment remains updated, patched, supported, and, most importantly, functional. Don't wait for a system failure to realize the value of protection. Keep your equipment updated. Keep your software current. Protect what matters most. Contact us today to discuss your Gallagher Care Plan and ensure your security environment is ready for tomorrow.
The smartest solutions for your company. IQ Security.